Alden, it's your update. And congrats kay Alden sa bago mong endorsement na prutas. Yun, no? Ito yung sinot ni Alden nakarang araw. And umulan ng blessing si Alden, eh. Saka ito pa yung TV commercial shoot ni Alden for Sting Energy Drink. At yun, sunod. Mga blessing ni Alden, grabe yun. Ayan, no? Kasama niya dyan si Maurice Racal. Ngayon pa nga, oh. Grabe pa nga yung hataw nila, oh. Naka-sting sila, eh. Sa ito pa yung picture ni Alden, kasama niya si Yasi Pressman, saka si Kakay Bautista, dyan sa kasal ni Gerald Napoles at Kim Modina, yung guwapo ni Alden, oh.
Team also of
So, for
fund
video,
managers,
SM in focus.
knowing that I'm not financially aware and financially literate. These people kasi before only showed me the good side of the investment. And then with me having lacking the knowledge of all the things that yung mga twists and turns of these products and investments, hindi ko siya natanong.
Yung grabe pa nga, yung mga nag-ship, sila Alden at Shanti. And during stars on the floor, yung pa nga sila Alden at Shanti. Grabe yung face card ng dalawa, eh. Yun, no? Grabe sila. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates, details, feature, new action vlogs. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.